Hi, Ted Sisson here from Dave Arbogast Ford. I want to thank you for the inquiry on the 2022 F-150 XLT Black Widow lifted truck. Let me show you around this thing. So this Black Widow has the custom Black Widow grille. You get the custom Black Widow inserts. Does have the 5.0 liter V8 engine, 373 geared rear end, Black Widow center caps in your rims. Comes with the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires on it, 6-inch Fox suspension. This one is the military matte gray. Does have the military logos on it. Again, you'll see the Fox suspension lift, dual-tipped exhaust. This one has your rear parking sensors, full tow package with your 7-pin. Up here, you'll see your backup camera and surround. You can drop your tailgate from your key or push the button. It does have the Pro package on it, so you have your options of a couple tape measures, your step, along with an area to like C-clamp things down if you needed to. This one has a spray-in liner. It comes factory, as well as your Pro Power on board. You do have your drop-down power running boards. You'll see in the back you have a custom leather interior from Black Widow with the Black Widow stitching. It is black on black, which really looks good in this truck. 60/40 split folding seats. You'll see that you have your carpeted mats, all-season mats. Some states don't require a front bracket, so we leave that off for you in case you don't need a front plate. Inside, you'll see you've got your USB port, power outlet, rear air vents, and then these just fold right back down. In the driver's compartment here, you're going to see that you have a full power driver's seat, including lumbar support, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Inside your mirrors, you also have blind spot monitoring on both sides. Again, custom Black Widow stitching in the seats, and you have the Black Widow headrests. Tilt tail rear window. That's really nice on those hot days. And I'll show you right here is where your control is to open and close that. Again, my name's Ted Sisson here at Dave Arbogast Ford. I'd like to thank you for taking your time to watch this short walk-around video of the 2022 F-150 XLT Black Widow. Please let me know if there's any specific information I can get for you regarding the truck. Happy to answer anything I can. I appreciate your time and have a wonderful day.